Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my second, I shouldn't have showed my nails, they're disgusting, don't even talk about it. My second Valentine's Day look. My first one I did was a pink, soft, flirty glam type look. So today I did a sexy, smoky, sultry, sophisticated, what's another S word? Super, okay, enough of that. So basically I did like a very smoky eyeshadow look with a pop of gold and then the vampy red lip. I definitely made my lips look very dramatic. I was giving you the drama. I wanted to serve some drama today. So I also curled my hair, really feeling myself. I hope you guys enjoy this look. I really like how it turned out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to. And let's get right into it. So I already did my face makeup. I used the Tarte Amazonian Clay foundation and my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I set that all in place with my MAC Studio Fix powder. So for the eyes, I just took my Tartelette Bloom palette and used the shades Smarty Pants and Flower Child in my crease. And I just really worked that into my crease and smoked it out seamlessly. Next, to create some depth in the look, I took the colors from the Tartelette palette Dreamer and Multitasker and I put those in my outer V. Next, I highlighted my brow bone with this matte white shade called Charmer. Next, I just went back in and blended everything back together. And I took the shade Funny Girl from the Tartelette Bloom palette and put that all over my lid with my finger. And girl, she was pigmented. I was shook. Then I just went back in with those two colors that I did before and blended it together again. Now I'm just running Smarty Pants and Flower Child under my lower lash line, and then I took Dreamer and Multitasker and put those on the outer part of my lash line, just to give it some drama and smoke it out. And then I took the color Leader and I just pressed that really close to my lash line just to give some soft definition. And now I'm just doing my mascara.
I know what you used to, Netflix, smoking my
Don't do this at home. And don't sue me if your eyelashes catch on fire.
Oh my god. But I used my Great Lash by Maybelline and then I curled my lashes. And then to tightline and do my waterline, I used the Ulta Blackout eye pencil. Now for contouring, I'm just using my ABH contour kit and it's the middle shade. I don't know what it's called. Next, I'm just baking under my contour and I'm using my Morphe sponge and my Patrick's powder by MAC. And then for blush, I'm also using MAC blush in the shade Mocha. Next for highlighter, I'm using my Becca highlighter in Light Chaser. It's really pretty gold and it really tied the whole look together since I had gold on my lid. And now I'm just filling in my lips with my Jeffree Start liquid lipstick in Designer Blood.
Woke up rich, real bad bitch. Playboy shit, that's some playboy shit. I've been going in, shout out to my wrist. Playboy shit, that's some playboy shit. Woke up rich, real bad bitch.
And then to finish off the look, I'm just setting everything in place very dramatically and majestically with the L'Oreal Pro Matte Setting Spray. And that is the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!